Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Looking at a Stihl 261, MS261, very popular saw. This one has some erratic running. I'm going to fire it up and let you listen to it. That's an air leak, vacuum leak on this crankcase. Listen to it again. Pretty severe air leak. Let me show you something. I did a quick look and I determined what it was real quick. Let me show you here. Watch that crankshaft. Watch the center of that crankshaft. I'm going to wiggle this and I can actually move the crankshaft. You can actually see it wiggling. That bearing cage is give loose on those bearings and it's wallering around there and sucking air. Anyway, just a good spot to check for air leak if you're just trying to figure out if your saw's got an air leak and it's on the crankcase without the tools. All right, got any questions? Here's the information. SawKing@hotmail.com, 541-863-5387. Be sure to ask for the chainsaw guy.